Hi everyone, I hope that all of you are doing really great. So in the previous video, if you remembered, what we have learned is what are arithmetic operators and how to use them and how to take out the benefit out of the arithmetic operators and how to put them in our code and how to work with that. So I hope that you have understand that thing, and if you have not checked the video of the arithmetic operators, so go and check that out. I will be linking that one in the description. So today what we are going to learn is in the next part, that is what are conditional operators, and then we will be learning about logical operators, and the last thing, that is conditional statement. And this thing is really important and we need this thing in lot of places, and it is really useful and necessary. This thing is really simple, not too much overhyped, but it is really necessary, like in our coding part, right? So just we will begin with this one. So let's just start. And if you have not seen previous video for installing Java in your VS Code, so you can check that out. That is also made in my playlist, so yeah, you can go and check it out. So first of all, let me write the default code for the main function. So now our code is ready, so we can write the things here. So by thinking about the name conditional operators, what we understand is, like, through this we have some conditions and we can work with that conditions in our code, right? So first of all, let us see, like, in condition, what conditional statements, what are there, like what are the conditional operators. So first let's know this one, and then we will be implementing that in our code. So let me write all the conditional operators here. Okay, so these are all the conditional operators that we are actually having, right? So first one is the equals conditional operator. The second one is not equals operator. The third one is less than. The fourth one is the greater than. The second last one is less than, equal to, and the last one is greater than and equal to, right? These are all the conditional operators which we use in our basic programming, right? So let me use all these things now. What are conditional statement? To use the conditional operators, we need conditional statement, means we have to write conditional statement. And by the name conditional statement, what it means is, like, we give a condition using this conditional operators, and if that condition matches with the thing that we want to match, then our code runs, and if it doesn't match, then our code not works, right? So the first conditional statement that we are going to learn today is if-else statement. So let's work with the if-else statement, right? So first of all, what is if-else statement? So if I write the if-else statement, so this is the if statement. We write our if-else statement like this. So I have a if, then inside a bracket we have to give our condition, like what is the condition that we provide. So let me first of all define a variable. I will be giving an integer variable, and I am giving it a name, that age. Okay, so the variable I have defined age, and I am giving it to 16. Okay, and then in the if condition, what we are going to check, or we are going to give the statement, that means I want to perform a code if the age is greater than 16, or if the age is greater than 18, right? So like, I want the thing to be work only when the age is greater than 16, means if the age is greater than 16, then only I want some part of the code to be working. So for doing that thing, we actually need if statement or any conditional statement. Like, there are other conditional statement like switch, but I will be showing you today if condition, right? So for if condition, I am writing here if, then here the inside this bracket we have to give our conditions. So I will be giving the condition that is like age greater than 16, means it will check that if the age, that is our variable, is greater than 16, then only it will perform this code which will be coming inside this bracket. Means it will only, means this part, means I am commenting this code, means this one will be working, means the code will be, means this part will be working whenever this statement, that is age greater than 16, will be true. Now in conditional statement we have either two things, like either it is true or either it is false. If it is true, then it will go inside this conditional statement, and if it is false, then it will not work. Okay, so like I am given the condition that age greater than 16. So inside this I will write system dot out dot println, and I will write age greater than 16. Okay, means what will happen is here, whenever the means first of all it will check that is age greater than equals to 16 or not. Means if the age is greater than 16, then only this line will be printed. Now if I run this one, this will actually not work, because I have given the age, that is means the statement is showing that if the age is greater than 16, right, not equal to or greater than equal to. So that case our age is 16, so this will not work. So if I run this one, what you will be seeing is it will not be printing anything. Okay, so you can see that it has not printed anything. But if I add this age to be like 18, means which is greater than 16, so if I run this one, now you can see that it will be printing age is greater than 16. So you can understand like for what thing actually we need if condition statement. So like there are different operators, conditional operators, which we can use. I have told you. So I have used this greater than 1. Now I will be changing this one to other. Okay, now first of all let me show you with the equals operators. So in this equal operators, what actually happens is, like if this age is same to 16, then only it will come inside this one, else it will not come, right? Means I have given this one 18 as the age, so this will not work. It will return false and it will not go inside this code. So if I run this one, you can see again it will not be printing this one. So this one is showing some error, that is age. Okay, so what error is coming? Reached end of the file while parsing. Okay, so because this one is equals to, so it is showing the error actually. Now if I give this one to 16 and if I run this one, you will be seeing that it will be printing, because it will be printing 16, right? Because the age is matching with both are 16, so it is returning true and it is going inside this code. But if I change this to like 15, then let's run this one, and you will be seeing that it will not run, means it will not print anything actually, because it is not going inside this part. So now what we can do is we will be learning this not equal to. Now not equal to means if the age is not equal to 16. Okay, if the age is not equal to 16, what I want to print is age is not 16, age is not 16. Like I want to perform something inside this one when the age is not equal to 16, right? So I have given this condition, and in this case it will be true, because the age I have entered is 15 and I am checking it with 16, which is not equal, so it will not it will run actually, means it will go inside this code and it will run. So you can see that age is not 16, right? So this one is also done, like not equal to, like we check if the thing is not equal to with the thing we want to. So for that we use this one. Now after this one, what comes is our less than. So I will run less than, less than. So less than means age is less than 16, means we are checking that statement itself. So I will write age is less than 16, right? So this will means this will also be true, and it will go inside this one and it will print, because age is 15, which is less than 16, right? So if we run this one, you can see that it will print age is less than 16. But if I give here 18, so it will not run, means it will not print anything, right? So this one is also clear. Now what we want to check is that is our fourth one, less than equal to. Here it is less than simply, but now you can see there is a equal to sign after this one. So what this thing actually does, now if you see this one in this one, if I give this one 16, okay, now this one means that age is 16, and this one is checking if the age is less than 16, it will not take 16 itself, means in this case this one will be false, because it is not taking 16, it is taking less than 16, means it will take 15, 14. Okay, it will not take 16. But if I put here a equal to sign, this means it will take 16 itself, means if the age is 16 or less than 16, then only this will be true and it will go inside this one. So if I print this one, so you can see that it will print age is less than 16. And if I remove this equal to, and now if I run, you can see that it will not print anything, because the age is not less than 16. Okay, so this one is the basic functionality of less than equal to. Now if I put greater than equal to, it's also the same, like it will take if it is greater than or it is equal to. Now if I run this one, it will print age is less than 16, means it is returning true, right? Because I have given the age equals to 16. Or if I give it 18 also, it will come true. So let me change this one to greater than, age is greater than. Okay, so if I run this one, you can see that it will come age is greater than. But if I give it, like, let us check with 15, so if I run this one, it will not work. Okay, so it will not print anything. So this means that our loop statements, means our conditional statement, is working fine, and we have learned the if statement. Okay guys, so till now we have done this one, like a single statement. Now there are multiple statements, like if I want to perform another statement along with this statement, so what we have to use is else if, right? So for else if, like, first it will check the statement, and if it is not true, if it is false, then only it will perform another statement, like it will check another statement and it will work accordingly. So for that we have else if statement. Now I am writing here else if. Okay, so in the else if, what actually happens is we are giving a statement here again, like if I want age less than equal to 18, not equal to, I am simply giving age less than 18. So I am going to print here, like I am copying this one, and I will print here you are not adult. Okay, so this means that whenever first case will be false, then it will enter in this statement, and if this statement is true, then it will print this one. Okay, so now if I run this one, so you will see that so if I run this one again, okay, so it is printing you are adult. Okay, so this means that it is working fine. Now if I give here 16 and if I run this one again, so you will see that it will print you are not adult. These are multiple statements that we are having with else if. Okay, so we can use this else if for this purpose, like having multiple statements. And there is a default one, that is simple else, like if both the conditions are not true, like if I give age equal to 16, means if age is equal to 16, then I will print here age equals to 16. Okay, and else what I want to print here is I will print here simply you are not adult. Okay, this means in this condition statement, what will happen is it will check first of all that if the age is greater than equal to 18, then it will print this one you are adult. Then it will check if the age is greater than, means age equal to 16, then it will print age is 16, and if both of these are false, then it will simply print you are not adult. Okay, means I am giving a basic example, like this is not useful for anything, but I am giving an example. So like if I change this one to 15, what will happen is it will print this one you are not adult. Okay, so this is the default one, you can see that you are not an adult. But if I change this to 16, it will simply print age equals to 16. You can say this one age equals to 16, and if I give it like 19, then it will print you are adult. So these are the basic conditional statement, that is if else statement. Okay, and I hope that this one is totally clear to you, right? So now what another thing we are having in this session is logical operators. So for logical operators, what we have to do is, first of all, I am removing, not to remove, using means seeing the name and or, you can understand, like we use the logical operators when we have two statements, means inside we have two condition inside one single statement. So for that we use logical operators. Like I am giving here a day, means I am defining a variable day, and I am giving a value of this day to 15. So now I want to check in this statement itself with a logic, means giving two conditional statement. So I will write here and. First of all, let us use the AND logical operator. So I will give AND. Now this AND means first let's write the condition, second condition, and then I will explain you. So if I want to check that if day equal to 12, okay, so I want to print a statement, you are adult and day equals to 12. Okay, so what this thing means, this condition will work only when both of these are true. Means when age greater than equals to 18 will be true and day equal to will be 12, means this will be true, then only it will come inside this statement. Like if one thing is true and the other is false, then it will not work. Like if I give here, means if the age is 18 or greater than 18, then and the day is not equals to 12, then it will not come inside this one. Or if the day is equals to 12 and the age is like not equal to or greater than equal to 18, so it will not come inside this one. Means AND operator means both the condition needs to be true to get inside the conditional statement. Okay, and if I write here OR, first let's test with this one. So this one will not print this one. What will happen is it will print you are not an adult. But let us change this one day, means let's change this day from 15 to 12 and let's run this one. So you can see that it will print you are adult and day equals to 12, right? So this means both are true, then only it is coming inside this one. Now if I change this one, day equals to 13, and now if I run, you will see that it will not print this one, it will print other, you are not an adult. Means it is going to the last one, because this one is not also equal to 16, means the age is not equal to 16, so it is going to the last one, that is the default. So you can see this one, means using this AND, what actually happens is if both are true, means both the conditions are true, then only it comes inside this one. But using this OR logical operator, this one is the OR. Okay, so using this OR, what will happen here is like either this one, like either first condition or either second condition, if any one of them is true, then it will go inside this loop. Like it doesn't check of the second one, means if both are true, then it will also go. If one is true, it will also go. Means but if both are wrong, then it will not go. Like if the age is greater than equal to 18 and the day is not equal to 12, means like if the day is 13 and it is condition is false, so it will enter in this loop. Like if I run this one now, it will print you are adult and day equals to 12, because this one is OR, either first one or second one. If any one is true, it will go inside that. Now I hope that this thing is totally clear to you, like what are logical operators, how to use them, and like what are the uses actually of this logical operators. So I have listed this conditional operators and logical operators, so you can check this also, like the different operators. So I hope that you have understand the whole thing for today's session, and if you like this one, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, because I am posting daily tutorials for Java, because this one is required for Android development too. And I will be like, you can also comment, like if you are having any problem regarding these videos, like if you are stuck at any point, I will obviously give a reply to you. So thank you and bye bye, have a great day.